Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to hide apps from the home screen on the iPad mini 6. So what you want to do is find the app you want to hide. So let's say I want to hide the GarageBand. Long press on it, then tap on remove app, and you see right here, remove GarageBand. Instead of tapping delete app, tap on remove from home screen. Once you've done this, the app will be removed from the home screen. However, if you just search up for GarageBand, you can see it's still available. Also, if you just swipe right to left even until you're brought to the app library, you should be able to see GarageBand right here. If you do not see the app or which you removed from the home screen, just tap on the search on the app library, search for that app, and it should show up right here. If you want to add the app you removed back onto the home screen, you want to find it, so let's just search it up, and then long press, hold, and then just drag it back to the home screen, and boom, you can see GarageBand is back on the home screen. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist on the end screen right now for a bunch of tips and tricks on the iPad mini 6. That rhymes, smash like right now. Check out that playlist. If you do not see the end screens, check it out in the description down below. The playlist is linked there as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.